Hi everyone. Um, I know most of you are now teaching online, so you are struggling to find out some interesting apps to make your teaching process really interesting to students, and you want to make use of a lot of apps that are available in web, right? So I have made a series of small videos so that I thought it would help teachers like me who are also hunting for web-based tools to make our teaching, online teaching, especially interesting during this pandemic crisis time. So I'm here in this video. I'm going to talk to you about one very interesting tool that I found on the website. It is free, and I thought I should share it with my community people so that you could also be benefited out of it. So this tool that I'm going to share today is called iorad. Okay, it is iorad, and you just have to go into Google and search for iorad. It's a very fantastic tool that can be used as a step by step method, to teach how to use a particular tool, or you can teach a software. Okay, or you can even teach a step by step process of doing any method or anything. Okay, so I found this very interesting and I thought I should share it with my community people. So you just go into Google and type for iRod. It says the tutorial builder. Okay, and you want to create any help kind of a video which will help you to go step by step. It's a fantastic video. Now come on, let's go into it. So you just go there and you click that the tutorial builder. Okay, it will ask you for a sign up if you're coming in for the first. It will ask you for a sign up, and since I have already signed up, you get an extension that is added here in the Google Chrome. Can you see that a pink color square appears on the Google Chrome extension? And if you're using a Mac laptop or a system, you have to download a Chrome because this is supported only by Chrome browser. Okay, so you get an extension, and let me just show you how to use it. So if you have to do a new capture, either you can click here or you can even click the extension here. If you click the extension, it will ask you to sign up. If you already signed in, then this page opens. Okay, so you just have to click for a new capture. Okay, and it is asking you whether you want to capture a web page, step by step process that is to be shown directly on a web page, or you want to show something on a desktop. So you can even have a kind of flow chart or something on a desktop, and if you feel that you want to explain that flow chart step by step, you can do it. I'm going to show you the web option. Okay, so let's say that we are doing a web capture. So just click it, and so this button opens here. So it says before capturing you have to select a new tab. Okay, select open a new tab, and then you have to perform action slowly. You cannot rush through with your mouse like this. You have to go slowly one by one and show the steps. Okay, and then click the blinking extension once you have finished. So this is just simple, very simple three steps that you have to follow. So let's start with creating a tutorial, and I will show you how beautifully you can work with it. Okay, so let's go for the first step. I'm just one step. So I'm done. So this is just, for a demo. I have, I've shown you just some few steps. Let's see how it is recorded. So now before, going for that, let me name the video that I have made, the tutorial video. So you just click here and you can give a name. Let's say tutorial demo. Okay, so I have just named it, and you can see here you want to choose whether it will be reading a click or right click or scroll, type, drag and drop. So whatever you have done, you can choose it. And the best thing here I like about this is it has got an inbuilt audio. So you'll have to just click the audio, and then you can see that every step that you have taken, you will be getting an inbuilt audio to it. Okay, and if you want, you can edit the audio. If you want, you can silent the audio if you don't want, or you can cut it. Okay, so whatever you want to do, you can do with the audio, and you can save it. In case you want to add a new video, sorry, a new audio, let me just show you that. So you're just capturing something. So I have just captured here, it is processing. Okay, let me tell you how to add. So once you're done with the processing, here you can see the steps is actually written in words. The text of what you have done appears here. Okay, and then you can add audio to it. Okay, so you can, when you add the audio to it, it will ask whether you need a male voice that is already inbuilt, or a female voice, whichever you want, or you can add your own voice also. Okay, so all that is done, and then you can choose the background, mask, okay, whatever theme, anything, you can just play around with it. And once all is done, and just you give preview and then finish. Okay, so when you give preview and finish, then you're done. Okay, you've put everything together. So here you can change the theme color, okay, your font color. You can browse through whatever you want. You can change the layout, you can change background, so you can just keep playing with it. Okay, and you can keep doing it, and then finally when you're done, you can have a view of it. So you can see that you have uh, the options here. So when you click this button, this arrow here, you have one by one whatever you have clicked, it will just show you how the steps have been done. So let me just show you one of the video that I have just done earlier with voice. Okay, that will help you to have a real view of it. See here, these are the tutorials that I have made. Let me just show you one demo. Okay, so I will just play this for you. Right click here and you can play, and let me just start. You can see how beautifully the voice also is coming. So click this for the next step, then next step. So like this, you can have any number of steps, okay, added, and then finally, you can just enjoy sharing it with the students. So just you can copy the link and then share it with the students, or directly when you go into the tutorial, you can see that you can directly share it with the students, okay, through different medias. You can share it as a link, or you can even have a short URL. You can embed it, okay, or you can invite somebody to come to your iorad and then test your tutorials. So this is a fantastic tool, my dear teachers. So please go through this and use this to use it for your tutorial teaching. And you can see that there are different pricing options available here. So you can go for a free option also. Okay, so you can have unlimited public tutorials for free. You cannot have a live tutorial, but a public tutorial can be conducted for free, which is free forever. Okay, so you can subscribe to the free option, and then you can go for it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be putting many such small YouTube videos on the tools that you can use at this pandemic time to make your classes interesting. So, see you all. Subscribe to my channel, Learn with Professor Evelyn Brinda. Thank you for watching.